3 fires, 3 fatalities, and a tragic common thread. The Cleveland Fire Department is sounding the alarm about smoke alarms. Good evening. Thanks for being with us. I'm Rob Powers, and tonight for DeLon.
And I'm Courtney Gooseman. Now, those 3 fires happened in a span of 5 days, the latest taking place early this morning. In all 3 of those cases, Cleveland fire officials say working smoke alarms were nowhere to be found. News 5's Jordan Vandenberg has a story.
A 61-year-old woman Tuesday morning, a 68-year-old man Monday morning, and a 62-year-old man on Friday morning. 3 people whose deaths leave behind grieving families and loved ones.
They were all fatal fires, and all 3 of those residences did not have working smoke alarms. So we really want to message to people that the only smoke alarms that'll save your life are working smoke alarms.
The series of fatalities over a 5-day stretch brings the city's total fire deaths this year to 9, which is higher than average, Lieutenant Norman says. And a small investment of time on your part to make sure you're protected would pay dividends, he says, in an emergency.
With fires and smoke alarms, it's about time, for both the residents and for the firefighters. The sooner we can get there, the sooner we can put that fire out, less damage to the house, and less chance that we're going to have fatalities like we've had, unfortunately, since Friday.
Despite this tragic series of deaths, Cleveland is the home of one of the more widely known and successful fire prevention and fire safety programs in the country, Operation Save a Life. Founded in 1992, over 30 years, it has installed hundreds of thousands of smoke alarms.
These are free smoke alarms provided by the American Red Cross that are installed by Cleveland firefighters. It's a great program. It's saved countless lives over the years. We just want to really remind people that you always need to make sure that those smoke alarms are working and that the batteries are functional, because those are going to save your life.
Lieutenant Norman says in the end, it's about time, and now's the time to make sure your alarms are working and ready. In Cleveland, Jordan Vandenberg, News 5.
All right, thanks, Jordan. And the Cleveland Fire Department tells us there have been 36 residential fires so far this month, and those fires have caused close to $500,000 in damage. The 3 deaths in the past few days raises the total for 2022 to 9. And if you do have smoke alarms in your home, here are some reminders to make sure they are working properly. Also, test your smoke alarm at least once a month. Clean your alarm at least once a year by removing the dust or cobwebs that have accumulated. Replace the battery twice a year, perhaps when you change your clocks for daylight saving time, and replace your actual smoke alarms every 10 years.